Hi, I'm David Birch. Welcome to day number 2 of the 15-minute wellness 28-day challenge. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open. So reviewing day 1, shift all your weight to the right, step out and open up with the left. And the arms are going to float up. Breathe in and float down. Breathe out. 3 intentful corrections: body, breath, and mind. Neutral position, Wuji position. Feet are hip width or shoulder width apart. Legs softly bent. Sink the tailbone like we're sitting in a tall chair. Bottom heavy. Top light. Float the head. Tuck the chin. We become taller from the hips up. Straightening up the back, creating space in between the vertebrae. Bottom heavy, top light. Deep breathing. Long, slow, deep breaths. Inhale as we float the head. Exhale as we sink and relax. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Let's relax even more. Get more benefit out of this exercise. Close your eyes if you feel safe to relax from head to toe, starting at the scalp. Relax the scalp, all the muscles of the face. Make sure the jaw is not clenched. Teeth are not clenched. Relax and soften the back of the skull, the neck, the throat, the shoulders, the chest, the stomach, all the muscles of the back, hips, glutes, quads and thighs, shins, and calves. Inhale and exhale with a sigh of relief, like a ha sound. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Enjoy your breathing. Continue breathing in deeply. Let this enjoyment of breathing center in the center of your chest, your heart center. Filling yourself up with joy. Filling your whole body up with joy. Let it blossom out as you smile from the heart. And now you can open your eyes if they were still closed. We're going to do some warm-ups. The first one is ringing the temple gong or ringing the temple bell. Your body is the temple. So we're going to strike the body lightly, cup it as we turn side to side. So if you start with your left hand over your right shoulder, the lung point here, right at the end of the collarbone, is where we are tapping. Tap, turn, tap, turn, bump, bump, bump. bump. The other hand is hitting anywhere between the glutes, the hips, the sacrum, to the middle of the back, the kidneys. We're getting our energy flowing, getting our blood flowing. Breathing. And if you find this turning is too much for you, I'm going to show you a variation of this called swinging hips. And when we swing to the side, we open up that toe, swivel on the heel, and just swing. Then we turn that toe back, put our weight on it, turn to the other side. Just swing out that toe, swing out the hips, swing out the whole leg, turning the whole leg from the hip. And this doesn't twist your spine as much. What we're doing is we're just going by feel here. Whenever we feel we've had enough of a particular exercise, we move on. We're warming up. Next warm up exercise is beating the drum. Actually, two drums, one on each side, one here and one here. So we wind up, we turn, one hand goes behind us, the other hand comes across and beats the drum. Boom. We inhale and exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Boom, 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 boom. So saying boom, boom, boom is optional. Could just exhale. Boom, 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 boom. The next warm up, warrior's breath. We're going to breathe in, gather the breath. So breathing in, and then we're going to expel the air sharply as we push out. And as we exhale sharply, we can make a sound. That sound could be anything that you feel like doing. So we've been doing the ha sound. It could be ha, be ho. It could be shh. It could be anything. Okay. So inhale and exhale. And I'm just going through different sounds just to illustrate. Now today we're done, but we need to close properly. All the weight on the right, bring in the left. From the ball of the foot down to the heel. Breathe in, gather energy, roll to Dantian. Letting everything settle. Thumbs right around your navel so that your palms are covering your lower Dantian. A couple inches down, your mind inside, center of gravity. Just relax. Take a few breaths here. Thanks for joining me in day 2. See you tomorrow for day 3.